guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. And I'm sorry for laughing. I just noticed that lemon has his tongue sticking out. We are here with a brand new GBFKE unboxing unbagging video. And this placemat is just there because it's cute and I thought it would make a nice background. And I've got the giggles about the tongue. And that little coca guy waving. Oh my god, these are so cute. So you guys, we are coming. Oh, I thought we were coming to the end of this. We are not. I ordered so much stuff from GBFKE, but now we are down to the ones that are not individually wrapped. They're just in the plastic. So let's grab one and see what we get. And that looks very pretty. And I must have been in a partial drill, special drill mood in a major way when I did this order. And as always, I'm going to struggle to find out which end this opens on. And let's see. We have special drills and he's stuck in there. A regular kit with a green boat, red wax, pink pen. And I'm just going to roll this backward off camera. Okay guys, so this is really pretty. This is a 30 by 30 wolf partial drill, and I think it's a special drill. It was $5.88 Canadian. So for $5.88, that's not bad for a special drill. There are only 10 colors. But it is special drill and it's on a black background, so I think it's going to look really pretty. I think the colors are going to be really vibrant on that black background. I think this is going to be gorgeous. So let's take a look at the drill field. It looks nice and clear. Lots of symbols. It's got a very, very good stick. Now it's wrinkled because this has been sitting in my room for months. Things from China take about a month to come in. So it was in the mail for a month, and then it's literally been sitting in my room for a very long time until I could get to the unboxing. So it looks much more wrinkled than it would have been otherwise. So if you want to order this, is item DS009. I will put a link below if I can. It's been so long that some of the things are no longer available that I ordered, unfortunately. So let me see if this is still available for you guys. Yeah, it is. This is still available. That's good. It's still on for $5.88 Canadian. I don't know what that is in American. I don't want to switch it right now. But let's take a look at the drills, because I do like taking a look when it's a special drill diamond painting. Alrighty then. So there are 10 different colors. Our shapes, I guess, and we're going to just turn them upside down to take a look, because if we go this way, then it's hard to see. So we've got these beautiful purple ones, like a lavender or lilac. I don't know if the camera's picking up on how delicate and beautiful, because a lot of them are turned to the back. Let me try to show you. Aren't they beautiful? And we've got some stars. I love when there's special shapes as well, instead of all the round drills. And we've got some clear, red, yellow, green, more of that lavender lilac, red, and this really light blue. It's really delicate and beautiful. And this more like of a teal kind of blue. This is going to be gorgeous. I can't wait to see what this looks like. I'm going to leave this one out and flatten it, and hopefully it will be flat probably next week, and maybe I can give it a go. I really like this one. It's something different. I haven't done it. It's in the pop art style too, and I like that it's a partial drill, because it won't take so long to finish. Anyway, you guys, what do you think of this? Have you done one like this already? I think a lot of people have done stuff like this. I've seen this out on YouTube before, but I think it's really pretty and I'm very excited to try it. All right, guys, if you like this, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, subscribe, notification bell, all of those good things. And thank you for being a part of this channel. I really appreciate it. I love reading your comments. And you guys make me laugh sometimes. I really love that. And I hope I do the same for you. So, yeah. Anyway, you guys, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye for now. Bye.